Hey guys, so right at this very moment, I already have a couple of brooches from Chanel. I really love wearing it, and I want to be able to wear it without that fear of losing it. You know, when you're using your Chanel brooch and you have that thought at the back of your mind, what if all of a sudden my brooch falls off and I don't even notice it? So that's like a couple of $100 down the drain. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a life hack that I use to fix that fear of losing your Chanel brooch while you're sporting it. So if you have that same fear like I do with my Chanel brooch, stay tuned and watch. So in this demo, we are going to be needing a jacket and of course our Chanel brooch and this other thing that you probably have lying around your house. I'm talking about these rubber backings. It does not come in most jewelries, but some jewelries do have them. I put all my spare backings in this baggie, and one day I came across it and I had that epiphany of actually using it for my brooch. So let us go right ahead with the demo and I'll show you guys how to use it. So I just took out one rubber backing from the bag that I just showed you guys, and let us go right ahead with the demo. So what I actually do when I put on my brooch is I take a couple of stabs on where I'm putting it. So I do it like so. I put it on once, so it goes through again, and I take a little bit more. So it usually looks like this. And make sure that you have enough to lock this and also to put in this rubber backing. So you put it in like so. Just keep pushing it in until you have enough for the lock. So once you are done putting in the rubber backing, you can lock it. Make sure it goes through all the way. And here you can see that the Chanel brooch is not going anywhere. You don't have to worry about your brooch falling or the lock opening up because you have this feel-safe rubber backing in there. So take, for example, you're going about your day and the lock opens up and this goes down. You do not have to worry about your brooch going anywhere because you already have this rubber backing to keep it in place and to make sure it's safe wherever you've actually put it on. So there you go, guys. That is how I keep my Chanel brooch in place and making sure that it's not going anywhere in case the lock actually opens up. I hope this video has been very helpful for you guys and you can actually use this one with your Chanel brooches as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!